Okay, so today I'm making this video because I am living proof that you can actually make a full-time living off of YouTube, because that is literally what I do. I do YouTube and that happens to be the medium that I use, but you can choose many other avenues out there. I'm just making this video specifically on YouTube and how I actually make a living off of it. And my real intention here in making this video is that I want you guys to understand that you really can do what you love to do if you just work hard, and you can actually turn your side hustle into a full-time income if you do it smart and you work hard and you just don't quit too soon. Now, I'll be honest with you guys that what I do is not exactly easy, but I happen to love the process, and that's what gets me through it. Because if you love the process, you're gonna end up being able to go through all the different hoops that you have to in order to be successful. Because seriously, I have to come up with video ideas and back-end strategies, and then I have to actually produce the content, get the content live, and then keep up with the content. So it actually takes a lot of work just to get one video done that you guys see. And on the back end side of things, they actually take a lot longer than you think. I mean, you would never know this, but it actually takes about 1 to 2 hours of full-on work just to get 1 minute of video done for the different videos that I make. So if you think about it, if you're watching a 10-minute video, then that's actually gonna take me about 10 to 20 hours from script all the way to execution just to get all of that content done and out for you guys. Now, if you just found this channel, I'm Jason with Honest Finance, and I make a lot of videos on different topics that'll give your life and your finances more value. So if you guys have any interest in that type of content, definitely stick around and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, you can just watch this video on how I make a living off YouTube and then move on with your life. So basically right now, the Honest Finance channel just has 2 sources of income that they're getting from YouTube. One of them happens to be YouTube ad revenue, and then the other one is what's called affiliate marketing. So every single time that you guys see those ads on the YouTube videos that you watch, the creator is actually getting a portion of that ad revenue. And that is a really good source of income for a lot of YouTubers out there, because if you can generate the views, then you can generate quite a bit of income just based on the niche that you're actually working in. I mean, honestly, it's just a win-win for everybody, because it's always going to be in YouTube's best interest to get more people to their website so that they can generate more ad revenue. And then it's always in the creator's best interest to make better content for their audiences so that they can drive more traffic, and then they can get more views, which is more revenue for them. And then the second source of income that Honest Finance makes through YouTube is through what's called affiliate marketing. And that basically means that you sell different products for other companies, and then you can actually get a small cut of the commissions based on your results, because it's just sales. So for instance, if you were really into TVs, then you could actually affiliate with one of the major electronics companies out there, and then you could actually sell TVs through the affiliate links, and then you could get a small cut of the commissions for all the sales that you drove for that company. So for instance, on YouTube, you just have to make review videos about different things that you're passionate about. And as long as you have affiliate links associated with those products, then people can click through the links and then they can buy the products, and then you can get a small cut of the sales just because you're an affiliate. And honestly, there are a lot of other ways that you can make money on YouTube, because for instance, you could be selling digital courses, products, or you could even be doing coaching to help other people with different skills that you have. And those are just other ways that you can make money on YouTube. And these are the 2 sources of income that Honest Finance is using right now. But we are going to be stepping into some of those other realms in the future. That's just what it is for right now. And one of the reasons why I love YouTube so much in particular is because it's more like passive income, because I have a tiny little army of videos that actually work for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they never take a break. And so that's really cool to me, because I can make a video right now today and it can live on for quite a long time. I mean, we're talking months, years, even a decade sometimes on certain types of videos. Now, if you guys have made it this far into the video, can you please just give it a big thumbs up so that I know how many people are liking this type of content, and then I'll make more stuff like this in the future if you guys are liking it. Because obviously if you're not, then we'll just pull the plug, call it a day. Now, I do want to be transparent with you guys that nothing is as easy as it looks, and it really does take hard work, and it takes a lot of time, because you would never know this, but I actually worked for about a year before I actually made my first $1.21. Okay, did you hear what I just said? 1 year before I made $1.21. So just keep that in mind. You're probably going to be working for free for a long time, but if you strategize appropriately, you can get started a lot faster than the way that I did, because once you learn from your mistakes, that's when you run into your problems. And if you guys already start with a shortcut, you're going to be a lot better off. YouTube definitely isn't for everyone, but it just so happens that it's the medium that I'm using right now to be able to express what I like, which happens to be in the financial world. And I am blessed to be able to do that for you guys because it's something that exists in today's technology, whereas yesterday it definitely didn't exist. So just keep that in mind. It's pretty incredible that we can actually just sit inside of our bedroom, make a video, and then show it to the entire world. I personally don't plan on making YouTube videos for the rest of my life, but if this is the gateway to get me into something like public speaking or empowering audiences to be better with their finances, then it's definitely something that I should be doing right now because those are my long-term goals. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. That's all for now. Once again, I'm Jason with Honest Finance, and I do make a lot of videos on different topics that'll give your life and your finances more value. So definitely subscribe if you guys are into that type of content, or just move on with your lives. But thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it.